I would hopefully, I think orange might be good. I don't know. Let's try it. What? They don't have orange in this at all. That is wild. Okay, well, not a big deal. Now let's get on to the what we're all been waiting for. We've been waiting for this, or at least I have been waiting for this for a long time. This is the grasshopper, the grasshoppers slash I think crickets, because I don't know which one's different. Maybe you guys tell me in the comments below to see which one's different. I don't know. You guys are a lot smarter, because I'm not educated on that one. And let's just get it open. Let's open this. Let's get a big fat one. Holy cow! Look at the size of this guy. The legs alone. He's a fatty. Oh my gosh. Look at that thing. That thing is humongous. Alright, I'm gonna try this. Come on, guys. Come on. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Let's just get a couple. Let's just... I'm really excited for this. I don't even know. Ready? Begin. There's 3. I think I should do 4. Let's just do it. Different sizes too. Alright, here goes nothing. Oh. That is crunchy. What? Whoa. The flavor is good. It's like chili lime. You know, chili and lime. Who doesn't like that? My goodness. This is great. It is really crunchy though. I'm gonna chew this really well because I'm kind of... Oh man. It's like having a bowl of popcorn. That's just crazy to me. Whoa. Oh, that is wild, man. I might try it again. It's oddly weird. You wouldn't think this would be that good. It is oddly satisfying. Whoa. Oh, that one has a... Oh, that one has a weird flavor to it. My tongue is like tingling. Oh my goodness. Oh. That had a weird aftertaste to it. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh, that had a weird aftertaste. Oh. Oh my gosh. Let me get the shack back. Oh. That was weird. I'm done with these, man. At first it was good, and then that one just had a bad taste to it. That's wild. Whoa. So I'm kind of curious though. How does this work? I mean, what do you guys want to see me to try? I tried this. What other weird stuff? Or it doesn't even have to be weird. What is your guys' favorite thing? And I'll try it and I'll give you my opinion on it. Let's see. Is there comments on this? This is my first time doing this, so. Oh, let's not do that. See, I don't know how to do this. I'm new.